Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Brother DCP-T720DW printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In a properties, I said right, in properties we find many options, scroll down and here we find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome. Here in a search type Brother DCP-T720DW printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.brother.com official website of the HP printer. Here we find our printer name and download. Open the first link. And official website of the Brother printer is open. Here select your operating system and select the operating system version. In this case, my operating system is Windows 10 and bit is 64-bit. If it is not select properly, then select it Windows 10 32-bit if 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then 64-bit. Select the Windows 10 64-bit. In my case, my machine is 64-bit. So I select Windows 10 64-bit. Click on the OK. It's redirect you to the another web page. Here we find many options. Select this full software package or these drivers. I prefer to go to these drivers. In a drivers, here we find printer driver and scanner drivers for USB or directly printer driver. I select this printer driver and scanner drivers for USB. I click on that. It's redirect me to the another web page. Here we find agree to download. Click on agree to download and it's also redirect to another page and download is started at the top. Wait for few seconds to download to complete. Go to the downloads. Click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file. Double click on it or right click on it and click on run as administrator. Click on the yes. Wait for a few seconds. It's unzipping now and wait for a few seconds. Click on the OK. Here we find new folder is created on the desktop GDI. Double click on this newly created folder, double click on it and here we find our drivers. Close it. Next step is install these drivers. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. The new options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that, close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click it here and if you find any port name USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004, select any USB port that you find. Select USB. Click on the next. Click on Havdix. Click on the browse. Go to the desktop. Our drivers are on the desktop. Go to the desktop. Here we find newly extracted folder. Double click on it. GDI. Double click on this newly extracted folder. Here we find some files. Select any file. All files contain same printer driver. Select any file and click on the open. Click on the OK. Here we find many printers. Select your printer. Printer name Brother DCP T720DW printer. Select your printer and click on the next. Give any name that you like. I go with the same name. Click on the next. It's installing our printer. It's take few seconds. It's not a very large files. It's take few seconds. After that, after installation is complete, if you want to share this in the network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer first option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners and click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find the printer name Brother DCP-T720DW printer, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.